Hi, and welcome back to the Gratitude Warrior, the channel where we explore simple tools to bring more balance, positivity, and gratitude into everyday life. If you've been feeling a little overwhelmed or mentally tired lately, this video is for you. Today, I'm sharing my top 3 crystals to help you unwind and recharge this March. First up is Amethyst, one of the most loved calming crystals. Amethyst is known for its soothing and protective energy. It helps quiet the mind, ease stress, and support emotional balance. I like to keep amethyst on my bedside table or hold it during meditation when I need to slow down and clear my thoughts. It's a beautiful crystal for creating a peaceful and relaxing energy around you. Next is Lepidolite, often called the stone of emotional balance. Lepidolite contains natural lithium, which gives it a reputation for helping calm anxiety and reduce emotional overwhelm. Its gentle, nurturing energy can support emotional healing and help you release stress. I often keep Lepidolite nearby during busy days when I need a reminder to pause, breathe, and reset. And finally, we have Moonstone, a crystal deeply connected to intuition and emotional harmony. Moonstone carries soft, calming energy that encourages inner reflection and balance. It's especially helpful during times of change or when you want to reconnect with your intuition. Holding Moonstone during quiet moments can help bring a sense of peace and renewal. So those are my top 3 crystals to help you unwind and recharge this March: Amethyst, Lepidolite, and Moonstone. Try placing them in your bedroom, meditating with them, or simply keeping one nearby during the day. And remember, gratitude turns what we have into enough. Thank you for watching The Gratitude Warrior, and I'll see you in the next video, in which we will be taking these 3 raw crystals and tumbling them into polished stones.